name is Sharon.
My name is Amal.
And we're from the DMS Sparkle Workshop. It took me 5 hours to learn and produce this.
I enjoyed the production process with the mixing and the packaging.
My name is Aima Loy Chizam Longe. And I am here at the Don Michael School Fashion Hub. Approximately 1 hour. It depends on how fast you are. I had difficulties like the fabric and the elastic. It kept on getting stuck. What we used to make the hair bonnets. Yes, I do. It's very fun.
My name is Rafandem. And the name of my hub here is Don Michael's Electrical Hub. For one socket, I will estimate about 10 to 15 minutes for one socket. Some of the challenges we had, for example, one socket will not work, one wire could be longer than the other, and then we have to cut it again and then start the process again. The benefit is having like 4 that help you charge help you work a lot of appliances at the same time. If you have only one, it will take longer time.
My name is Ofoka Chistere. And the name of my store is Vision Crafts Studio. With the amount of time it takes to put it into graphic design, then printing it, then manually framing it, I would say around 15 minutes. So first, clients are expected to give us their pictures or get snapped by us. Then we turn their pictures to graphic designs and print it out. We get to act like glass. Then we get a black tape and cover here and framing the picture.